Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have had a wonderful month. I don't know about you, but it has been an amazing month. We released so many awesome products this month, and we've released the beginnings of our home decor line, which is really exciting. But I wanted to show you a couple of those recaps of some of those items that we released this month because you know what? I'm worried you might have missed one or two and I want to make sure you saw them. For example, this was our club stamp and die set. It's called Fish Tank to Stamp, and it was really fun because this aquarium is separate from those stamps and you can have lots and lots of fun with this one. Now, of course, there were dies that matched, and we even included a freebie for our club members, which is really exciting. Now let's look at some of those in action. Here's some of those cute little fishies with our fish tank fold it card, which is really fun, right? Then we also released this fun bubble background. It's not really a bubble, but you make it a bubble if you want. And look how fun that circle is. This is for the slimline background. We also released this gorgeous heart folded. I called it the string heart folded, but isn't it beautiful? There's so many different things you could do with these. Oh, we also released our skinny mini alphabet and numbers and symbols, which are really fun. Here's another cute one. Hey, isn't that cute? I know, they're so adorable. I love those. And you know what? This alphabet also coordinates with our home decor line. So it's like double duty, right? It's awesome. Then we also released our sweet treats little class that we did. So much fun. Look at that cute exclusive love fold it in that one. Oh, here's some skinny mini symbols in action. Look at how cute those are. You know, those hashtags are so important, aren't they? Oh, we also released, look how fun this is, our hidden little rectangle. So you can hide those little surprises in there. Aren't those fun? Oh, and here's another fun one. You could turn your snow globe into a cute little aquarium snow globe. Perfect mixing and matching those club sets. Isn't that fantastic? Now, club members, of course, you're getting the club discount on all of these products. If you're not in our club, you need to go check it out. 15% discount off of everything on our website, at least 15%. Some Gold Club members get 20%, and if you coordinate that with the flash sale prices, you're saving even more. It's awesome. It's like we're paying you to be club members. Now, if I went too fast on these samples or you want to see more samples for these items, make sure you go to our online gallery at thestampsoflife.com. There you can click on them, you can favorite them, you can print them if you want to, and you can get lots and lots of free inspiration. Thank you so much, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.